on more cases, we also were able to determine.
Hi, what time is the appointment?
We are just a walk-in.
Okay, so I can put you out there.
Yep.
Can't guarantee that you'll get a test.
Sure.
And you could be here for a couple of hours.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So, is this your first test?
Yeah.
Okay, how old are you?
16.
Alrighty, so your permit, your white card, your driver's log, and proof of insurance, please.
Immediacy. We're in it for the long.
Alright, so if you can show me how to adjust the bottom of your seat.
You can go back and forward and then
Awesome.
lean back. Okay.
That's perfect, good job. And how do you use the emergency brake?
It's on right now and then it's off. Should
Oh, I was just trying to see where the...
There's
What
a
does it say there?
parking
Oh, there it is. Okay. And then turn it off. Awesome. Alright, and then how do you turn on the headlights?
That's just the regular ones and then high beams are up. Oh, sorry. And then high beams are...
There you go. Good job. And your four-way flashers, emergency lights. Alright, good job. And can you honk the horn?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. And your windshield wipers, make them go fast. Alright, good job. And your front defrost. And the fan speed.
You can turn it off by pressing this.
Alright. And adjust your left mirror for me. Awesome. And your fuel gauge.
It's right here.
Okay, good job. Alright, so during the test, I'll give you directions.
Mhm.
I'm either going to ask you to turn left or turn right.
Sure.
If I don't say anything, we'll go straight.
Okay.
Make sure you use your turn signals.
Okay.
Make sure you physically check your blind spots, okay?
Sure.
Pay attention to the road and all the signs so you know where to go and what to do.
Yeah.
All the streets in here are at least a minimum of 4 lanes wide.
Okay.
So that means you're always going to have at least 2 lanes on your side of the road, okay?
Sure.
And if I ask you to stop, I just need you to stop immediately.
Mhm.
Okay? Do you have any questions?
No, I think I'm good. Is there any uncontrolled intersections?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I should just yield into those, right?
Be prepared to stop because the bigger traffic has it right away.
Of course.
All right, any other questions?
No.
All right, whenever you're ready, we'll turn left out of the parking lot.
Sorry.
No worries. These blue poles here, you're going to do your 90-degree back. So I'm going to have you pull past the poles and then back into the space in between them.
All right.
All right, we'll continue to the right.
Put that on my hand, huh?
Whatever it takes to remind her, right?
Yeah.
This intersection here, turn left.
Okay.
Then go ahead and pull over to this curb here. And you're going to do your downhill park with a curb. Well, are you done?
Oh, sorry. My bad. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Alright, well, I can't open the door to put the car in park. Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, when you're ready, go ahead and pull away from the curb and we will continue. And not these yellow poles, but the orange poles.
Okay.
You're going to do your parallel park.
Gotcha.
So just pull past the poles and then back into the space close to the curb. Alright, go ahead and pull away from the curb and we will continue. This intersection here, turn left. This intersection here, turn left. And this intersection here, turn left. This intersection here, turn right. And this intersection here, turn right. This intersection up here, turn right. The intersection here, turn left. And the intersection here, turn left. And this intersection here, turn left. And this intersection here, turn left. And this intersection here, turn right. And this intersection here, turn right. Go ahead and pull over next to the sidewalk. Alright. So just for future, if it's turning yellow and you have time to stop, stop.
Okay,
So you were past the point, but then you're stopping, and so just keep going.
okay.
Just make sure you forgot to use your turn signal on the downhill or the parallel park.
Mm-hmm.
You put
I
you
wrote
put
it on my hand.
well, I know, but you put it on, you were already out.
Yeah.
So you just got to make sure. Yep, no worries. But yes, you did pass your test today.
Thank you so much, man.
I didn't do anything. I just sat here.
Well, you helped me. I was just really nervous. Thanks
All
a
right,
lot.
these two things: your permit, your driver's log,
Mm-hmm.
and then leave the car here, and you can head inside and get your driver's license.